Imagine walking through a forest and feeling a presence, not just the rustling leaves, but something deeper. Some individuals claim they can hear trees, not with their ears, but with their minds. They describe a sensation of receiving messages, emotions, or even advice. Scientists acknowledge that trees communicate chemically, but could there be another level of connection? Those who experience it say it's like tapping into an ancient wisdom, a language beyond words, waiting for those who listen. One woman recounts how she first heard a tree after a difficult time in her life. Sitting beneath an old oak, she felt a wave of calm and a distinct thought. "You are not alone." She insists it wasn't her imagination, but something external, a presence offering comfort. Many who claim to communicate with trees describe similar experiences, subtle but profound. Could trees be responding to human energy, or is it simply our minds seeking solace in nature? A man who has spent years meditating in forests believes trees have personalities. He describes some as warm and welcoming, others as distant or even indifferent. He claims that by sitting quietly and focusing, he can sense their moods. While skeptics dismiss this as projection, some researchers suggest trees respond to environmental changes in ways we don't fully understand. Could these subtle shifts be what people interpret as communication? Or is there something more happening beneath the surface? Some indigenous cultures have long believed in tree spirits, treating certain trees as sacred beings with wisdom to share. A woman who follows these traditions says she asks trees for guidance and often receives answers in unexpected ways, like a sudden insight or a perfectly timed event. While modern science may not validate these claims, the idea of trees as conscious entities isn't new. Could ancient traditions hold knowledge we've forgotten? Or is this simply a deep connection with nature? Whether mystical or psychological, the experience of communicating with trees is real to those who claim it. Some say it's a form of deep intuition, while others believe trees genuinely respond. Science has shown that trees interact with each other through underground networks. But could they also interact with us? Perhaps the real question isn't whether trees can talk, but whether we've forgotten how to listen. What if nature has been speaking all along, waiting for us to hear?